can't just go back.
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Saving with Miss V, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I set up my candy station. So first I put a white tablecloth on the table, and this is how I set it up. I have this cute little ceramic cupcake dish just there for decorative purposes, and I have this vase that's laying on its side. And this is a scoop that you would use to pick up candy, and I just bedazzled it with some rhinestones. And then I just have those ice cream dishes over to the right, and you're gonna need some napkins or something for your candy table. And I have these marshmallow puffs that I have laying, coming out of the vases as if they've fallen. I got that idea from my candy station for my wedding. So I picked those marshmallow puffs up from Dollar Tree, and these are some chocolate covered peanuts. And then we have some more chocolate. Then we have some gummy bears. And this is how I set up my candy station. Oh, we'll have some labels so everybody will know exactly what they're eating. I could have got a darker marker, but that's all I could find. So I want to thank Liz and Robin for hosting this challenge. This is video is in participation with the fall candy bar challenge that's being hosted by Liz from Home Decorating with Liz and Robin from All Things Luxe. And I want to thank these ladies. I'll have their links in the description box as well as the playlist. And this is how Miss V sets up her candy station. Sorry that I'm late, ladies, but you know, life happens. So this is Miss V, Saving with Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day.